Hey, how's it going, guys? Time for today's recap of the daily plan as well as the makings of the daily plan. Sorry. So I've been posting them here for a while on StockTwits. Now I'm posting it on the community tab of the YouTube channel. So let's go over today. As always, I start my daily plans with the overnight TPO, or actually just checking out the TPO charts. So things that we look at for in the TPO is, are we creating balance? Are we trading in that balance? Um, testing previous ranges. We're looking at the shapes of these market profiles, looking at the tops, looking at the bottoms, and again, the shapes that they create, where value is lying, structure, do we have structure to clean above, below, all that stuff. I know this stuff, or these charts, if they're foreign to you, look complicated, but they're really not. They're quick to learn, and you really just glance at it and you got what you need. Or at least that's how I use them. So creating a daily plan, step 2, taking a look at the transacted volume on the 4-hour charts. If these charts are foreign to you, I have pinned to the home of the YouTube page a quick video on how these are constructed and what these numbers mean. But essentially, we're looking at the transacted volume. Green is buying imbalances, red is selling imbalances. So every single morning in the room, I'm sending updated of the 4-hour chart, the daily chart, TPO, everything that I'm interpreting off of it, right? And teaching how you find an offer in the market, high volume areas, trapped participants, all those types of things you use the footprint for. And then same thing on the daily chart, right? We can take a lot from our daily charts. An offer, right? Someone was trying to sell here, lots of contracts, and they got stopped out, right? They got forced out, right? And then we had a bit of a squeeze because we had an offer over here. And then, of course, the daily plan, right? So it is 1:55 market time. We broke the low day, but we'll go through the intraday charts. For the majority of the intraday, this very cautious buy zone was the low of day, but we'll go over that. And then again at 9 a.m. every morning, I go live on mic and share screens to review this daily plan, talk about each level, going through what I posted, the annotated pictures, make sure people understand, and what do I interpret from the footprint and the TPO to create these levels, of course. And then obviously low a day was around our level for a while, and a few of us got a nice long. But let's go into intraday price action. So this is a 4-hour chart. Let's actually take a look at a 30-minute. All right. Whoops. This is obviously cash session open. Quick pop above the cloud, just trending below the cloud for a little bit. Zero print up top, exhaustion, right? We see a P-shaped distribution. Trapped participants come down to our buy zone, where we have a majority of traders, I don't have my pen, sorry. Whether it be retail or whatever it may be. We see this high volume area within the single candle. Sorry, I'm trying to make do. Right, a lot of volume concentrated right here, and then we're waiting for that one flush down, complete exhaustion, buying imbalance at the lows to take for the long, right? And this provided, just from the top of the buy zone, 88 to 16. So, yeah, quite a bit of points available there. And obviously now I said how we're breaking down, waiting for a bid to come. What does that mean? We use the footprints to gauge where other market participants are positioned, right? So if I see that on this daily candle, we have, I forgot I don't have my pen, but 105,000 contracts, 112,000 contracts, all of these contracts that are being done over here, hundreds of thousands, are underwater now, right? Anyone who bought and still holding is underwater, and they're going to be fuel for the downside. And we're going to see, or want to see, a proper bid built out, right? A correct, just as many shares as, or not shares, I'm sorry, contracts that were sold, or the volume up here, we're going to want to see down here before we even start looking for a long, right? You want to make sure your trades have the volume on their side. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. But apart from that, just sitting on the sidelines until we see that. Yeah, I guess that's everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next recap.